So this is going to be the Wrench Don't Stop YouTube channel. Basically, I have a lot of projects going on and whatever, and everyone always tells me to make videos. So that's what I'm going to do, and show you around with what I got in the yard for now. I got this 72 Nova that I'm going to back half. I'm going to turbo LS swap it and supercharge it at the same time. It's going to be twin charged. Should be a fun little project. Let me zoom out a little bit. That camper, I'm gonna end up making a barbecue trailer out of. I had it for a while. I used to use it by my grill, but obviously it's not in function anymore. I got that one, so I don't need it. That sled, I don't know. The one on the trailer, I don't know if I'm gonna do much with. I got it with the trailer, so I don't know. Might get it running, post it for sale or whatever. It's just a good to have as a spare. I got my turbo nitro. It makes like 280 horsepower. A little turbo in here. I don't feel like pulling the cover off. Got my bass boat that I gotta put a good amount of work into. It runs. I sent it to this kid. He got it running for me. I gotta put floors in it and whatever. Excuse me. I took out the steering cable. I gotta put that back in. Well, a new one. My Duramax. I haven't started it. It's like 33 degrees out. The glow plugs don't work. It's kind of my main driver that I drive. Haven't started in probably like a week. See if she starts. Oh, the key's not in it, so that will have to be a tomorrow video. It's got a 68mm turbo and whatever. I put these wheels on it. Bed's clapped. Right now I'm recording off of a cell phone. It's like a Pixel 7 Pro or something. I can't remember what I got last. It's either the 7 or the 8. But I'm walking up to my other ones. Got my Snap-on grills. Got my Trans Am. I rebuilt the motor in that. Wish I had a video of that. That was fun. That still is getting a lot of stuff. It's my Turbo Silverado. That's a lot of fun. It makes around like 500. It's my 98 Cobra. It's Turbo LS swapped. It's a lot of fun. It's caged. I don't know. Yeah. Get the door on the Trans Am. Yeah, everything's a project. I slowly get them all done. Keeps me busy. This is actually my daily driver for like 3 years. It used to be a 4.3. I put a 5.3 in it. Got my Escalade. Unless it's frozen, the hood should open. Yep. There's that one. That was a big project last winter. Well, it's been an ongoing years project. And that's my Hummer H2. This is a rigid frame Sportster that I'm working on. My buddy had it in my backyard for probably like a year and a half before I ended up buying it off of him. Yeah, I'm taking a lot of water into the motor, so once it got cold out, it froze and cracked the cylinders. I have those at my shop, well, the shop that I work at, and I'm gonna either try and rebuild the motor, or if I can find a motor for cheap, I mean, I'm probably gonna do that. Debating if I I should powder coat the frame, just paint it black. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this. I kind of bought it because it was here already. You know what I mean? But I don't know. I don't really know what direction I'm going with this. It's probably gonna get a fucking turbo on it, like everything else I have. So I'll be taking videos of that, and that should be fun. Yeah, so I actually got my truck keys, so I'm gonna go and see if we'll do a cold start, and I'll get back to you. Oh, looks like my shingles blew off my shed. That's good. Alright, so I'm gonna see if we'll start. Like I said, I think earlier that my glow plugs don't work either, so this should be fun. It wants to. Yeah, so in the future I should be, well, I'll at least have a tripod. So I ordered the tripod. I have a GoPro that I haven't used in probably 2 years, and I don't really know how to use it. It's one of those ones that the battery pack doesn't come out, so the charge only lasts so long. It's like a Hero Plus or something like that. So I gotta figure that out. And I don't know. I've never edited videos. I'm not really good at talking to myself, I guess. I mean, I'm sure once the videos get some views on them and people have some questions, I'll have more to talk about. But yeah, this is kind of a little bit awkward and tough for me, I guess. Not really, but yeah. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. This is just pretty much the start of my channel. Hopefully my videos will get better, my quality should be better, and I won't be walking around with a Pixel phone and recording that way. I think the tripod said Monday it'll be here, so that's tomorrow. I have Mondays off from work, so I'll probably get to that Harley and strip it down. I'm pretty much just gonna get it down to a frame and start over, just like how I do everything else. So yeah, that's the start, and thanks for watching. Subscribe, and enjoy your day.